Hey there. Welcome back to the HeartSmart Channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for you. We're uncovering the top 10 tips and tricks for crafting a balanced diet that's all about loving your heart. Are you ready to supercharge your meals and give your heart the VIP treatment it deserves? Let's dive in. Please, note that the information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult your doctor or pharmacist for advice tailored to your individual health needs. Tip 1. Embrace colorful variety. Our first tip is all about embracing the rainbow on your plate. Those vibrant colors in fruits and veggies signal a party of nutrients waiting to nourish your heart. The pigments, like beta-carotene in carrots and anthocyanins in berries, are like little heart defenders. They help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your ticker happy. To include this tip in your diet, challenge yourself to include at least 3 different colors in each meal. Whether it's a green salad, a red bell pepper in your omelet, or a juicy orange snack, these colors are your heart's best friends. How are you going to bring more colors to your plate? Share your plan with us in the comments below. Tip 2. Fiber power. Now, let's talk fiber. It's like a broom for your arteries, sweeping away excess cholesterol. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are your fiber heroes. To make this tip a part of your diet, aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day. Swap out refined grains for whole grains and dive into fiber-rich legumes like beans and lentils. Your heart will thank you. Let us know how you plan to incorporate more whole grains and legumes into your meals. Tip 3. Healthy fats. Now, let's tackle fats. Yes, fats, but we're talking about the good ones, like the ones found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. These fats, known as monounsaturated and omega-3 fatty acids, are like guardians for your arteries. To include healthy fats in your diet, aim to replace saturated and trans fats with these heart-healthy options. Swap that butter for avocado spread or enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack. Your heart will appreciate the upgrade. Are you ready to swap out unhealthy fats for the heart-boosting ones? Please, share your favorite healthy fat sources in the comments. I am eager to know more so that I can add to my list. Tip 4. Watch sodium intake. It's time to talk about sodium, the sneaky culprit that can lead to high blood pressure and put stress on your heart. While a little salt is okay, many processed foods are loaded with excess sodium. Your challenge here is to read labels and limit your sodium intake to around 2,300 milligrams per day. Flavor your dishes with herbs and spices instead of relying on salt. Your heart will thank you for keeping the pressure off. How are you planning to cut down on sodium without sacrificing flavor? Let us know your creative seasoning ideas in the comments. Tip 5. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is truly the heart's best friend. It kickstarts your metabolism and provides essential nutrients to fuel your day. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later and mess with your heart health. Your mission here is to fuel up within the first few hours of waking up. Opt for a balanced breakfast with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Oatmeal topped with nuts and berries or a yogurt parfait are great choices. Are you committed to never skipping breakfast again? Share your go-to-breakfast ideas with us. I told you one of mine. Please tell us yours if possible. Tip 6. Mindful portions. Portion control is like having your heart's back. Eating large portions can lead to weight gain, which puts extra strain on your heart. It's all about finding that Goldilocks zone for your meals. Your task is to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils to help control portions. And hey, slow down while you eat. Your brain needs time to catch up with your stomach. Another trick is, don't wait to be too hungry before you eat. It is very difficult to be disciplined when you are very hungry. However, don't snack too much either. Strike a healthy balance and be a mindful eater. Tip 7. Hydration matters. Let's talk about hydration. It's not just about water, but about giving your heart a helping hand. Staying hydrated supports healthy blood circulation and helps your heart pump effectively. Your challenge is to drink plenty of water throughout the day. An easy way to achieve this is to keep bottled water at sight all the time. On your desk, on your bedside, on your work area, and other places. I call it the water temptation. Seeing the water will keep you reminded throughout the day. And hopefully, that will draw you to it and keep you drinking. And guess what? Foods like fruits and vegetables are also high in water content. So go ahead and enjoy that juicy watermelon or cucumber. Set another trap for yourself with these fruits. Maybe we will call that the fruit temptation. How do you plan to stay hydrated and keep your heart happy? Well, I showed you my trick. Please, share your favorite ways to drink up in the comments. And if you like mine, let me know. Tip 8. Lean protein choices. Now, let's talk about protein. It's essential for building and repairing tissues, but not all proteins are created equal. Opt for lean protein choices that don't overload your heart with unhealthy fats. Your mission is to choose lean cuts of meat, poultry without the skin, and plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu. These options provide the protein punch your body needs without the added baggage. If you are a fan of fish, you can also make salmon, tuna, and other large fish your friend. They have some of the best proteins, along with their healthy fats. Tip 9. Spice it up. It's time to spice things up in the kitchen. Spices aren't just about flavor, they can also boost your heart health. Many spices have anti-inflammatory properties and can improve blood circulation. Your challenge is to get adventurous with your seasonings. Turmeric, cinnamon, garlic, and ginger are your heart's new best friends. Add them to your dishes for a flavorful and heart-healthy twist. Plan to spice up your meals and give your heart an extra kick. Tip 10. Treat yourself occasionally. Lastly, let's talk about indulgences. Treating yourself occasionally is not just okay, it's a part of a balanced heart diet. Depriving yourself completely can lead to cravings and binges, which isn't great for your heart or your happiness. Your goal is to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. Whether it's a small piece of dark chocolate, a scoop of ice cream, or a slice of cake, savor it mindfully. Remember, the key is balance, not restriction. Plan to include occasional treats without overdoing it. Share your strategies for finding that sweet balance in the comments. And there you have it, our top 10 tips and tricks for a balanced heart diet. By embracing colorful variety, fiber-rich foods, healthy fats, and more, you're on your way to showing your heart some serious love. But remember, these tips aren't just words on a screen, they're a roadmap to a healthier heart. Now, it's your turn to take action. Pick a tip that resonates with you and commit to making it a part of your everyday life. We're in this together, supporting each other on our journey to better heart health. Let's keep the conversation going. In the comments below, tell us which tip you're going to start with and how you plan to make it a reality in your diet. Your insights might inspire someone else to join the HeartSmart movement. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a HeartSmart update. Until next time, stay HeartSmart.